Hey drone technology fans, Bill here. DJI drone announcement at Mobile World Congress 2018? We'll find out coming right up. Hey drone technology fans, Bill here. Next week over in Barcelona, Spain from February 26th to March the 1st, there will be the Mobile World Congress 2018. That is the telecommunication industry's leading conference in the world. You will have vendors from all over the world, and the not so big surprise is Samsung will be revealing its brand new smartphone, the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. They were talking about doing it at CES 2018, but they decided to wait till the Mobile World Congress, which is probably a more appropriate forum since this is really a telecommunications conference. Last year, DJI did attend the event. Now I'm going to throw several slides up on the screen here that show some of the corporate sponsors and partners, and DJI is not listed in any of them. So, but today OsitaLV put out a very interesting tweet. Let me read that to you. MWC 2018, 226 to 2018 3/1. We may see something new. Okay, wow. He just opened up Pandora's box right there. No idea what he means by that. Now, of course, I'm just going to give you a little brief rundown here. He's, obviously we'll go back to the Mavic Air. He predicted that. The Mavic Pro 2 is coming up rather shortly. The Spark 2 and the Phantom 5 and the Inspire 3. And he also put out in a series of tweets about a new DJI vertical takeoff and landing drone that's for commercial purposes. So what does he mean by we may see something new? My guess, and again, let's go back to the IFA Congress back in Berlin last year. That's where the Phantom 4 Pro Obsidian and the DJI Mavic Pro Platinum were revealed. These were not basically new drones at all. These were a little, they tinkered a little with it. In the case of the Phantom 4, really was just a color change. And we all know the Mavic Pro Platinum, the new quieter propellers, the motor, and the increased runtime. But they were really tweaks more than anything else. Anything that's in the works right now for DJI is, we're talking, it's different, okay? The Mavic Pro 2, for example, it's not going to be the same thing as the Mavic Pro. The Spark 2, it's going to be different as well. And the Phantom 5, from what we've seen, it's going to look like it, but it's not going to be the Phantom 4. So what I'm thinking is DJI likes to set events up in New York City to reveal drones. And we'll go back to the last three. We had the Mavic Air. And then last year we had the Spark, and then the year before that we had the Mavic Pro. All these, it's separate events, so DJI could get the proper press coverage that they need for this and marketing, and I don't blame them. What this is this is probably some type of announcement, maybe an announcement about an announcement coming up. I strongly believe that they're not going to reveal a new drone at this point in time. OsitaLV said we may see something new. It may be we might get a glimpse of the Phantom 5. We might get a glimpse of the Mavic Pro 2. We might get a glimpse of the Spark 2. We might get a glimpse of the Inspire. Who knows? Or we also may see DJI's new vertical takeoff and landing drone. My guess is one of those that I just mentioned is going to be previewed here. Now, they may also state that there may be an announcement coming up as March 23rd. That speculation is up. Question of the day. What do you think that this is about? Do you think it's about a new DJI drone? I'd like to hear your comments down in the comments section. And I want to thank everybody for all your very insightful, excellent comments. Please keep them coming up. If you like the content from today's video, please make sure you hit the like button. And if you haven't subscribed, and definitely tell others about our channel. Also, be sure to check out my Facebook page where I post daily updates regarding the drone industry and anything DJI related. And of course, my blog where I do all of that. Plus, all these videos go out there as well so people can be notified there's a new video out there. Thanks for watching and happy flying!